So as I said in my previous video, in this video I will explain you about the functional groups. Functional group, an atom or a group of atoms which makes a carbon compound reactive and decides its properties is called a functional group. Functional group replaces the hydrogen is also called as heteroatom because it is different from the carbon and can be nitrogen, sulfur or halogen etc. Replacement of hydrogen atom by a functional group is always in such a manner that the valency of carbon remains satisfied. Types of functional group: halo group, alcohol group, aldehyde group, ketone group, carboxylic acid group. Haloalkanes. When one hydrogen atom of an alkane is replaced by a halogen atom, we get haloalkanes, also called halogenoalkane. The journal formula for haloalkanes is CnH2n plus 1 dash X, where X represents chlorine, bromine, or iodine. Example: chloromethane CH3Cl, chloroethane C2H5Cl, chloropropane C3H7Cl, and chlorobutane C4H9Cl. Alcohols. The hydroxyl group attached to a carbon atom is known as alcohol group. An alcohol is a hydroxyl derivative of an alkane. The journal formula of alcohol is CnH2n plus 1 dash OH. Example: methanol CH3OH, ethanol C2H5OH, propanol C3H7OH, and butanol C4H9OH. Aldehyde. Aldehydes are the carbon compound containing an aldehyde group, CHO group, attached to a carbon atom. The journal formula of aldehyde is CnH2nO. For examples like methanol HCHO, ethanol CH3CHO, propanol CH3CH2CHO, and butanol CH3CH2CH2CHO. Ketones. Ketones are the carbon compound containing the ketone group, CO group. A ketone always occurs in the middle of a carbon chain, so a ketone must contain at least 3 carbon atoms in its molecule. The journal formula of ketone is CnH2nO. Example: propanone CH3COCH3, butanone CH3COCH2CH3, pentanone CH3COCH2CH2CH3, and hexanone CH3COCH2CH2CH2CH3. Carboxylic acid. A carbon compound containing carboxylic acid group, COOH group, are called carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acids are also known as alkanoic acids. The journal formula for carboxylic acid is CnH2n plus 1 dash COOH. Example: first, methanoic acid HCOOH, second, ethanoic acid CH3COOH, propanoic acid C2H5COOH, and butanoic acid C3H7COOH. So here I have a quick summary for you. As you can see in the halo group, the chloro and bromo are the functional group and are written as Cl and Br. In alcohols, the OH group is the functional group, and in aldehyde, the CHO group is the functional group. As you can see in CHO, the oxygen atom is bounded with carbon with a double bond, and the hydrogen atom is bounded with carbon with a single bond. In ketone group, CO group, the oxygen is bonded with carbon with a double bond. In carboxylic acid group, COOH group, the first oxygen is bonded with carbon with a double bond, and the second oxygen is bonded with carbon and hydrogen with single bonds. I hope this video has helped you to understand what are functional groups and types of functional groups. Thank you.